Instead of wasting your data, considering the high price of data in most locations, I will teach you about an app where you watch video and earn money. Invite a friend and also earn money. Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you what Cheelee app is and how it works. You can install this app called Cheelee app from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Log into this Cheelee app. For signing up to this app, you will gain 3,000 coin, which you can actually change to your own currency and withdraw to your local bank. As you watch a particular feed on this app, your coin increases, but you're not allowed to watch a particular feed twice and gain. So you just watch a feed once. After watching it, you scroll gently to the next feed and watch. You cannot watch a particular feed once and gain double. It does not work that way. You can also gain more coin from this app by using the referral program, which you can find by clicking on your profile. Click on three lines found at the top right corner. Click on referral program. So when you invite your friend and they sign up, you're going to be paid 0.05 USD. So if your friend buy glasses in dollar, you'll be paid $0.3. In basics, you'll be paid $0.5. In common, you'll be paid $1. In element, you'll be paid $2. In smart, you'll be paid $3. In classic, you'll be paid $4. In lit, you'll be paid $5. In simple, you'll be paid $6. In rare, you'll be paid $7. And in unique, you'll be paid $8. So if your friend in level 1 is able to sign up and able to buy a glass in any of this form, you actually get rewarded for it. So guys, this is it on how you can actually earn from Cheelee coin. You can actually exchange this coin to your currency and withdraw to your local bank. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to earn from Cheelee coin. If you want to learn how to withdraw from Cheelee coin, please do well to ask a question related to that on the comment section of this video. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.